Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to buy games on Epic Games account. Buying games from the Epic Games Store is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open up your Epic Games launcher and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you are logged into your Epic Games account after entering your credentials, go ahead and use the search bar at the top left in order to search for the game that you want to buy. You can also click on the Browse or the Discover menu and find the games from the list that you'd like to purchase. After you find one of the games, click on it and then it will show more details about the selected game. Now, go ahead and look for the Add to Cart option on the right hand corner and click on it. You can now go open up your cart, which will be located at the top right, and if you have enough balance on your Epic Games account, you will be able to click on the checkout button on the bottom right hand corner. Follow through the instructions, choose your payment methods, and you will be able to finalize your game's purchase. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.